Sophie stayed the night last night. Huh, babies? Did you have fun at Sissy's house? Did you have fun staying night with your brother? Huh? Yeah. Today is just a boring, rainy, poopy day, and my mom's gonna be coming over later to... You're interrupting my thing. My mom's gonna be coming over later to make some tacos, so I'm waiting for her to get here and just watching TV. Yeah, there's nothing to do today. I'm bored as heck. I cleaned all the sheets on the couch. If you're wondering why I got all these blankets on the couch, it's because when Joey gets a drink of water, sometimes he drinks too much and he starts his drama and spits water up, so it's always on the couch when he does it. So I have all these blankets up here, and so he isn't staying up the freaking couch. Hey, baby. He's my little love bug. He's up my butt 24/7. What are you doing? You're messing up the blankets. Sophie, you're messing up the blanket. Yeah. So yeah, that's my day of being bored. Doing nothing. I need to find something to eat because I'm starving. It's 1:48. Yeah, nothing. I know. We can't even go on a walk. No, we can't. Doesn't it suck? It's all dark out and it's just poop. Stop! That hurts, Joseph. Stop it. This is what I put up with. He's always scratching me and wanting attention 24/7 and throwing fits, stomping his feet, whipping his head back. He's like a child. He's like a human, I should say. He acts like one because he has the biggest personality ever. And he doesn't act like a dog. She acts like a dog. He don't. And people wonder why I can't, I don't even know. Right. And when we were sleeping, Sophie slept with us. And every time he thought or felt her touch him, he would just snap on her. He would be snapping in bed, or he'd get mad because he couldn't sleep because she was curled up on me. So he'd get mad. So he would sleep on my pillow next to my face because that's the only way he could be really close to me, since he couldn't curl up in my chest because she was. And it was just a long night because of him. He's ridiculous. What? 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 The day in the life of Josephina. I'm gonna see if I can find something to eat because I am just way too... Well, Josh's dog keeps barking, so you know what that calls for. Glass of water to get thrown on her. Because no matter how many times we get after her, she won't shut up. So I started throwing water on her. You might think it's mean, but if you lived with her and you had to listen to her bark 24/7 and she wouldn't listen to you, the only way she'd listen is if you threw water. Then you do the same thing. Oh, there she is. What are you guys doing? You guys being nosy? Huh? I didn't get her wet. I didn't get the dog wet. I just splashed it on her feet. She just drives me insane no matter how much we get at her. We need to get like new batteries for her bark color or something because I'm seriously going insane with all this barking. Maybe I'll eat this. I don't know. Slice. Down on that. And then pop it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Voila! You like my singing? Do you like my singing? Are you falling asleep on Mama? What's Sissy doing? What are you doing, Sissy? Only time to eat. I did not realize I wasn't recording. Let's see if it's any good. It's really hot right now, though. It's time to work on this hip-hop routine. Socializing is over. Let's get to work. 5, Very delicious. I got food in my teeth. I got some guests at the table. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? You want food, you little Miss Piggy? You're the piggy of the family. Water keeps you hydrated. Who doesn't love water? Do you love water? Do you love water? Thank you, Sissy. Thank you, Sissy. You love me, don't you? Joey, stop worrying about the food. Come here. Come here. Come here. You guys are all over me. All over me. Alright, get off of me, you freaks. I gotta go throw this away. Ugh, I got something in my eyeball. And yes, when I am home, or just anywhere, I do dance like that. I dance like a freak, especially when I'm with Josh. This is what I do around Josh when he hates me. He wants to take me out to the club so I can dance like that. And he's like, no. Anyways, I don't even drink anyways, so I don't drink alcohol. What I like to drink when I go out to eat is water, Mountain Dew, or Kitty Cock. Otherwise, no alcohol for this young lady. I do not like the taste of it. Question for you guys. So I bought this plug-in Scentsy. This plug-in Scentsy warmer, whenever day it was. And I bought a scent to make the house smell good because Josh is always cooking hot stuff and I'm tired of the smell. So this is what I got. And then I got some stuff in there. It's not really making my house smell as good as I want it to. So if you have any ideas of what that will make my house, the whole house smell good, let me comment below so I can look and try them out to see if it'll make my house smell good. Why are you so cranky? All the time. Cranky, cranky, cranky. Yes, you. Why are you so cranky, mister? Okay, hi. Chicken? Who wants some chicken? Sit. Shake. High five. Good girl. Joy, your turn. Come here. Come here, Sophia. Come here. Come here. Come here. High five. Shake. Shake. Lay down. Down. Come here. High five. Good boy. Josh dehydrated chicken for him for his treats. And then he's got other treats that he likes. He likes Cesar softie, filet mignon flavor. The Pro Plan small breed chicken and rice formula, and then that's the size of the actual dog food. No. Don't be scratching. No. My mom just got here and they don't know yet. So watch what they do. Sissy, it's me! You freak! Why are you barking at me? Your mom's here though. There she is!
Hey, kiddo!
Grandma's here!
How you just doing?
Got over some refried beans, authentic. Some corn shells, some of flour, tortillas, some taco seasoning, hamburger meat, onion. Then for dessert, she brought 2 different kinds to try. And then she brought this one. Sour cream, Kelly's salsa, some Taco Bell hot sauce, taco meat, beans, tortillas, and then we got our station set up of lettuce, cheese, sour cream, salsa, hot sauce. Are you guys hungry? Are you hungry? I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Hi, Cece. The beans. And then the meat. And then the lettuce. And the cheese. I'm a plain, simple kind of gal. And that's it.